Hi guys, I'm Johnny and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make very easy and delicious potato dinner rolls. These are perfect as a side dish for Thanksgiving or any holidays or for your regular days dinner. It is so delicious. So let's get started. So guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to activate our yeast. So here in this jug, I have some milk that is nice and warm. Make sure that it's nice and warm. And to that, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle our yeast and give it a nice mix and set it aside and let it sit in the counter like for 10 minutes until it is nice and foamy or jiggly just like this. So in the bowl of my stand mixer, I'm going to go ahead and add my leftover mashed potatoes. These mashed potatoes were from dinner last night, so that's why I came up with this recipe. I was like, I need to use this mashed potato because I don't want to eat it. So I was like, I'm gonna make dinner rolls. So I'm just gonna add that in there along with some egg yolks and melted butter. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add the milk mixture. And then I'm gonna put this into my stand mixer, feed it with a hook attachment. And we're going to go ahead and add the flour, sugar, and salt. So turn on your mixer and mix it on low for about a minute until the dough comes together. Once the dough comes together, bring the speed like to a medium high and continue mixing until the dough is nice and smooth. That will take like 5 to 7 minutes. You will see that the dough is sticky, but that's okay, it should be sticky. So what I'm gonna do after the 5 minutes, I'm gonna place it into my work surface that has flour, and I'm going to knead this a little bit until the dough is no longer that sticky. So I'm gonna take another bowl, I'm gonna brush it with oil, and I'm gonna place my dough in there, brush the top of the dough. I'm gonna cover it, and I'm gonna place it into somewhere warm, like for about 2 hours until it doubles in size. After that, I'm just going to cut my dinner rolls like into 12 equal pieces, and I'm going to let it rise again until they're double in size. Once they double inside again, we're gonna bake these at a 375 Fahrenheit, like for 20 to 25 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. And after they're baked, we're going to brush them with melted butter. And there you have it. That's how you make potato dinner rolls. These are so delicious, so tasty, and I know you will love it. Alright guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe for potato dinner rolls. The recipe will be in the description box. Don't forget to check it out and make it. And if you make it, tag me. I would love to see pictures. And I see you in my next upload. Bye.